Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of high-performance gaming with the Sapphire Pulse AMD Radeon RX 6750 XT. I recently picked up this powerful GPU as a pre-owned unit for just 24,000 rupees, which is about 286 USD. Let's unbox it and see what this beast can do. First, let's take a look at what comes in the box. The RX 6750 XT is well packaged to ensure it arrives safely. Along with the GPU, we have some documentation and the standard accessories. Now let's get to the main event, the graphics card itself. The Sapphire Pulse AMD Radeon TM RX 6750 XT is equipped with 12 GB of GDDR6 memory, providing ample capacity for even the most demanding games. It features one HDMI port and 3 display ports, allowing for versatile connectivity options. This card supports video streaming up to 8K resolution, ensuring you get the best visual experience possible. Powering this beast requires a minimum 650-watt power supply, with one X8-pin and one X6-pin power connectors. The GPU boasts a boost clock of up to 2618 MHz and a game clock of up to 2512 MHz, making it a powerhouse for high-performance gaming. It can handle 1440p gaming at high FPS with no sweat, and might even push 4K at 60 FPS or more. I'll be running some stress tests using Heaven Benchmark and Furmark to check the temperatures and FPS. I'll also benchmark a bunch of games to see how well this card performs in real-world scenarios. Stay tuned, and don't forget to drop a comment below on what tests you'd like to see. That's all for today's unboxing and overview of the Sapphire Pulse AMD Radeon TM RX 6750 XT. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.